Hi, my name is Giuseppe. I want to introduce the new family. They're all new people. They just get out of school and they learn how to be Mercedes-Benz technician. We start with the foreman.
Hello, David Segastiano, shop foreman, Mercedes-Benz, Brooklyn.
Good afternoon, my name is Louis. Been working here for 4 months and it's been an experience, very good.
My name is Christopher. I've been with the company for about a month already and it's been a great experience.
Good afternoon, my name is Angel. I've been here for 3 months. Very good opportunity to learn as a tech and a very good family we have here at Mercedes-Benz of Brooklyn. See you guys soon.
My name is Mohammed Abu Zaid. I started here 2 months ago. My favorite thing about this dealership is the welcoming and the helpfulness that everybody gives to me and to everybody else around me as well.
My name is Steven Sarno. I've been working here for about 3 months and I love it so far, and I can say the best part is I finally get to work on some nice cars.
My name is Lee. I've been here for almost a year, and in Pkwy, I'm Giuseppe's son.
My name is Nathaniel. I've been working here for the past 2 months now. One thing I really love about this place is the family aspect. Everybody is so friendly and kind.
Hey guys, my name is Sebastian Shaw. I've been working here for a little over a year. Great family, great cars, and just a good shop environment.